Are you thinking about buying a condo in Rapid City, South Dakota? Hey everybody, it's Tristan Emond with Mindful Living Realty, a realtor right here in Rapid City, South Dakota, the gateway to the Black Hills. If you're coming from a metropolitan area, a condo is a pretty popular thing, whether it's downtown, next to the ocean, etc., etc. But in Rapid City, South Dakota, we don't have a whole lot of condos. We kind of like our yards and space up here. But there are a few that are here in Rapid City, so let's talk about those right now. But before we get into condos, let's talk about the difference between condos and townhomes. In the Black Hills MLS, we've got the condos and the townhomes put together as one class. So I want to make sure that we understand the differences between these two. When you're buying a condo, you're essentially buying X amount of square feet within the big building. And you're also then buying a share of the common areas, the outside, all that kind of stuff. The good part about this is that the condo association takes care of those common areas. And there's often amenities such as pools, clubhouses, and other things included as part of that condo. And of course, those amenities aren't free. You've got a monthly fee for the condo association that covers all these different things, taking care of the outside, taking care of the building maintenance, all the other things that are included in that condo fee. The condo usually has a board of directors that talks about who they hire and sets these rates. We define a townhome in our area as any building that has two or more homes built right next to each other. The difference between the condo and the townhome is that you actually own the land that the townhome sits on. You get the land that's part of that sliver that you bought. If we go into our county GIS mapping system that shows the lot lines, you can see really easy, this condo building right here, it does not have any lines. It is one big lot. And if we go up here, you can see this building right here, these are townhomes. You can see the lot lines being drawn around every residence of the townhome. It's kind of a 50-50 split in our area. Whether or not a townhome actually has an association that covers things such as lawn maintenance, exterior maintenance, all the things. Some of the townhomes have all the things included. So it's easy, carefree maintenance living, snow removal, lawn care, all the things are taken care of for you. But there are also some townhomes that you are responsible for everything. So you have your own insurance, you do your own lawn maintenance, you shovel your own snow. So we have to make sure that we look at that if you're looking at buying a townhome in the Rapid City area. Next, let's talk about financing a townhome versus a condo. Since you're buying land with the townhome, all of your normal financing packages and programs are available to you. However, a condo is really different. First of all, programs such as VA and FHA, they require the condo to be approved. They've got a document that the condo association has to fill out and answer the questions. So if that's something that has not been done for the particular condo, an FHA or a VA loan will not be able to be used for the property. The other thing is the owner percentage versus rental percentage. If the condo allows you to rent out your property and there are a certain percentage, like 40% or more, I believe, rentals versus owners, your VA FHA loans also will not finance that property. They want to make sure that you're not buying into a condominium of rentals. These are some of the questions that we can ask right away before even presenting an offer. I had one deal where we had a condo under contract, we went through all the things, the home inspection, and then finally the underwriter came back and said, sorry, this is not financeable. So we want to make sure we do our homework first on the condominium, make sure that it's financeable for you and your family. All right, now let's jump in the car. Let's go take a look at some of the condominiums around town to give you a feel for what you can expect.
The majority of the condos in Rapid City are in the southwest part of town, off Sheridan Lake Road. We're starting here in Fairway Hills. We're going to start off with Park West Condominiums, located here in Fairway Hills, off Sheridan Lake Road. It's located in a beautiful spot with a cool backyard that includes a party house and pool. April 2024 was the last time a Park West unit was sold, and that was sold for $275,000 for a 2-bed, 2-bath, about 1,100 square foot unit with 1-car garage. The condo fee is $425 a month, which includes your usual lawn, snow, exterior maintenance with the water, sewer, and garbage, and that also covers the maintenance and use for the pool, hot tub, clubhouse, and you even get some basic cable thrown in. Vista Park condos are some of your newer units. They were built in 2008. They're located just down the street from Park West. You've got some great views off those balconies, and it's in a beautiful setting. The last Vista Park unit sold was in April 2024 for $355,000, and that was a 2-bed, 2-bath, 1,200 square feet, 1-car unit. The HOA fee is $375 a month, which includes all the usual stuff. Plus, you get use of the pool and clubhouse over at Park West. A little bit further up the street, you get the Country Club condos. These are kind of a unique design, but they all come with a 2-car garage. The last one sold was in February of 2024, and that sold for $290,000 for a 2-bed, 2-bath, 2-car unit that's 1,430 square feet. The condo fee is $350 a month. That also includes access to the pool and clubhouse just down the street at Park West. If you're looking for luxury condo living in Rapid City, Sandstone Ridge. Sandstone Ridge is just off Sheridan Lake Road, just across the Garrowhead Golf Course. Got everything you need here in the condo with a basement, garage, and storage unit. The last unit sold in Sandstone Ridge was in March 2024, sold for $350,000, and that was for a 2-bed, 2-bath, 1,100 square foot unit with a 1-car parking space. The HOA fee is $233 a month. That includes no maintenance for you and indoor pool along with some basic cable. Next are probably the most unique condominiums in Rapid City, and that is High Place. High Place is in the very popular Chapel Valley just south of Canyon Lake. You better like stairs because these units were built with the 70s architecture, high ceilings, and plenty of stairs going from one level to the next. The last High Place condo was sold in June of 2024 for a price of $345,000, and that was for a 1,900 square foot unit, 2-bed, 2-bath with 1-car garage. The condo fee was $290, and that included all the normal stuff, including the pool at Chapel Valley. Now it's time for Evergreen condominiums, which are basically blocks south of Canyon Lake Drive. These are a little bit more basic units. There are some garages available, but there's not a lot of outdoor space. The last unit sold in the Evergreen condos was sold for $183,000 back in April of 2024. There was a 2-bed, 2-bath unit, 940 square feet with no car garage. And the condo fee is $226 a month, and you get all the things you'd expect from a normal condo, but nothing extra. I really like these condos at Village Green. Village Green is in this little triangle here, right off 44th Street. You've got a number of single level and 2-story units, along with an outdoor pool. Outside of Village Green is no garages. March 2024 was the last time a unit was sold here, and that was for $170,000. It's a 2-bed, 1-bath, 1,100 square foot unit. Your condo fee is $319 a month. That includes everything, including your heat and the outdoor pool. It's time to head north of the mall to Chalkstone Condominiums. This is in one of the newer subdivisions in town called Auburn Hills. Just a 1 condo building with floor and upstairs units. The last Chalkstone condo sold was in April of 2024 for $175,000, and that was a 2-bed, 2-bath unit, no car garage here in Chalkstone, about 1,000 square feet. Condo fee is $145 a month for the lawn, snow, and exterior maintenance. I couldn't confirm from my research if water and sewer were part of this, so I left it off just to be safe. Just a bit south of that are the Bellevue condos. I like the look and feel of these condos. There are some smaller and some bigger units with some garage opportunities. The last one sold was October of 2023 for $190,000. That was a 2-bed, 2-bath unit, 827 square feet that did have a 1-car garage. Bellevue Condos has the second cheapest HOA fee of all of the condos we're showcasing here today, with $160 a month for all of the things. Now we head downtown to East Philadelphia Street, where the Highlanders condos are. Probably the oldest units in town, and from what I was able to see, this is one of those units that would not accept FHA or VA. The last one sold was in September of 2023 for $163,000. This is a 2-bed, 2-bath, 1,100 square foot property without access to a garage. $225 a month, that takes care of everything you would expect. Now it's time to go south for Hamden Hill condos. Hamden Hill is on the southeast part of town, just off of East Minnesota Street. You've got a variety of options here with the multiple options for floors, garages, and even a little bit of green space in the middle. The last unit sold in Hamden Hill was May of 2024 for $230,000. That was a 2-bed, 2-bath unit for 1,200 square feet with a 1-car garage. It has the cheapest condo fee with $135 a month to take care of those necessities.
So what kind of person are you? Take care of everything condo type person? Or give me my space, I want my own yard? If you like this video, make sure you check out this video and this playlist. Thanks so much for watching. Have an amazing day, and remember, love where you live.